Every time I design on Figma, I face a problem with colors and theming. I'm using Tailwind CSS in the front end side, so I want to add the similar color palettes to all my Figma design systems. The earlier process I used to follow is to copy paste the entire color palettes of Tailwind CSS into each of my Figma project. But this process is repetitive and time consuming. Recently, I found a Figma plugin for Tailwind color palettes. Once you install this plugin, open any of the Figma project, press Command plus slash key or search for the plugin and click on Create the Design Systems. This plugin adds the entire Tailwind color palettes and create a dedicated design system for all of your Figma projects. Now you go to the design tab in the right hand side and inside the fill option, click on the menu icon. You can search and view all the Tailwind color palettes that you can easily add on just one click. The last part is even more crazy. Go to the inspect tab and it will give you the Tailwind CSS class name to be added in the code. This makes everything so simple. That's it for today, people. Until next time, have a good day.